this video I am going to show you how to download and install OBS Studio for Windows 10 operating system. So let us start. First go to your web browser and write down your OBS, download OBS Studio, and here you can click this link and you can here click for Windows. Here there are different platform as well, Mac OS or Linux. You have to click on Windows because we are installing it on Windows 10 operating system. Click on it and it will start here downloading, but I have already downloaded it. And here you can see OBS Studio 27.2.4. double click on it and click here next, license information, click next, and this is a destination folder where your OBS Studio will be installed. Click install. Now OBS Studio has been installed. Click finish. It will launch the OBS Studio. Now it will ask here that optimize for streaming or recording is secondary, or optimize just for recording, or I will use only for virtual camera, but here I have to use for its I want to use for optimize just for recording. Click on it and click next. Here you can use the current resolution. It depends upon your hardware part, what's your maximum resolution of your computer. It automatically sets up the resolution, makes it default, so I don't have any choice. My desktop resolution is this, it's maximum, so click next. And here you can apply settings. Now here you can see the sources. Right click on it and you can capture the whole screen or the part of the screen. Here we can click display capture. That means we have to record the screen, entire screen. We can name this as screen recording and click OK. And you can see here different options: start streaming, start recording, start virtual camera, and studio mode and setting. For example, the recording format will be here. I would choose MP4, and you can choose different things here like video bitrate, encoder, audio bitrate, and also you can change the location where you can save your videos. For example, I will choose desktop, select folder, OK. Now all the videos will be recorded in the desktop. Now the audio one, you can also choose the audio, which type of audio you want to use. For example, it's 48 kilohertz, it's default. And you can also choose the video, which resolution you want. My maximum resolution here is this, so I will choose this. Click apply and OK. Now we can start recording here. Start recording. click on it. Now it's recording. For example, I will click here on desktop, and for example I will open this PC and see whether it's working. Click here and now stop. You can also pause the video and start it again, but right now I will stop recording. Now it will be saved on the desktop. We can see here. Now double click here. Now you can see it's recording. For example, I will click here on desktop, and for example I will open this PC. Now I will close here and see. Now you understood that how to download and install OBS for Windows 10 operating system, and I hope you find this video informative, and if you like this video please subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.